Smith's Detection leads the global and military emergency response marketplace with advanced chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear, and explosives, detection and protection solutions. Our practical, reliable, and proven solutions enable armed forces and responders to mitigate incidents with confidence, reduce risk, and minimize loss associated with CBRNE threats. We develop products in partnership with the military and emergency responders to meet requirements for accuracy, durability, and ease of use in a broad range of missions. Based on Smith's Detection's market-leading Hazmat ID, the Hazmat ID Ranger is a handheld solid and liquid chemical identifier used in diverse environmental operations. Optimized for handheld, backpack, or robot portability and ease of use in protective gear, the Hazmat ID Ranger uses Fourier Transform Infrared or FTIR analysis by simply touching the diamond sensor tip to a sample. Within seconds, the lightweight system provides both spectral results and a list of substances to help identify chemicals, actual compounds and mixtures, as well as rule out biological threats. The Hazmat ID Ranger quickly and accurately identifies over 32,000 substances, including white powders, WMDs, explosives, drugs, pesticides, common chemicals, toxic industrial chemicals. Highlight features of the Hazmat ID Ranger include proven FTIR technology for field use, available database of approximately 32,000 spectra, detects the presence of biological substances, ease of operation in protective gear, downrange control via Bluetooth, touch sample operation, and an interface built upon Hazmat ID software. Scenario 1. A black case containing documents covered in an unknown white substance is discovered by military personnel in a remote location. The personnel officer approaches the case with the Hazmat ID Ranger. The software is activated and contact is made with the unknown substance. After a few moments, the results are displayed on the screen of the PDA. The military responder can now make an informed decision and correctly handle the situation. Scenario 2. After receiving an anonymous tip-off, a team of investigators monitor a suspected chemical lab in a residential area. After a successful arrest, the investigators enter the residence to discover an array of potentially harmful and highly volatile chemicals. The area is sealed off and the response team is called in. The responders arrive on the scene and the Ranger is quickly deployed. One responder enters the residence and proceeds to the first sample of interest, which is an unknown white powder. The responder then applies a small amount of the powder to the tip of the Hazmat ID Ranger and closes the attachable pressure device accessory to ensure good contact is made with the sample. Then, using the touchscreen interface, the responder initiates the sampling process. The results are rapidly displayed. The Hazmat ID Ranger can also be controlled via Bluetooth. While one responder gathers chemical data with the unit, no PDA is attached. The second responder, who is only a few feet away, controls the PDA and then signals that he has successfully received the chemical data that was transmitted from the Ranger using the Bluetooth capability. The first responder is then free to clean the Hazmat ID Ranger, while the second responder prepares the software for the next sample. The Ranger is now ready for the next sample. The responder touches the diamond sensor tip of the Ranger to the sample and makes good contact. Again, the chemical data is sent via Bluetooth and the second responder indicates a successful result. Scenario 3. While at a vehicle security checkpoint, a soldier inspects a suspicious white substance found in the back of an SUV. The Hazmat ID Ranger is used to sample the unknown substance. Working from a checkpoint booth, a second soldier receives the chemical data via the Wi-Fi connection from the Hazmat ID Ranger. He then reviews the sample information on his laptop and indicates to the soldier that he has obtained a successful result. We know how important it is to have confidence in your equipment and in the company that supports it. dedicated service and partnership programs, including reachback, 24/7 365 technical assistance, customized training seminars, and regional user workshops are successful in supporting your equipment and your team. We've built the largest database of advanced threat assessment spectral libraries for the military and emergency responders worldwide. The databases consist of tens of thousands of library entries, ranging from common household chemicals to explosives and chemical warfare agents. Large, accurate libraries enhance your equipment's efficiency and increase your ability to identify a wider range of chemicals. Smiths Detection is proud to equip armed forces and response teams with the latest and most reliable capabilities to tackle any mission involving CBRNE threat assessments. To schedule a demonstration of the Hazmat ID Ranger or any of Smiths Detection's CBRNE assessment solutions, please contact us. Smiths Detection, bringing technology to life.